Let's revisit the PersonaFi app today. Social investing has been gaining traction, and having the right people in your corner is a key to success for not only the new investor, but also the experienced options trader looking for their next entry. The PersonaFi app and newsletter has already helped thousands of people with their trading and investing, and I'm excited to announce the newest update for iOS, PersonaFi Plus. Never heard of the PersonaFi app? Well, here's a rundown. It's free, easy to use, and can help you make money in markets, whether you're a long-term investor, short-term options trader, or somewhere in between. One of the main principles driving PersonaFi is transparency. You can link your brokerage and you can see other people's holdings, so you know that they're putting their money where their mouth is on a trade and they're not just talking themselves up on Facebook. Don't worry, no one can see the amounts you're holding, just that you are in fact holding a stock or an option and the current price it's trading at. This can help you vet the people you're following. We all have seen the random ads for stock market gurus talking about how they just made $2 million in 20 minutes from their beach property on the last big pump in the market, but did they really? If they were on the app, you could see if they were in it or if they were just some scammer trying to sell you a $100 course and they've never traded a stock in their life. If you've ever seen a market guru on the internet, leave a like and drop a comment on how scammers should burn in hell. Moving on. You can also drown out the noise you get on other social platforms by only seeing the people you want to see. Want to follow only crypto traders? You can do that. Whatever your style or interests, you can handpick the people that will show up on your feed just by following them and then going over to the Friends tab. Conversely, if you want to get the main feed in all of its glory, all you have to do is switch over to the public feed and voila, now you can see and interact with everyone on the app. There are also subcategories you can browse to narrow down the kinds of posts that you see. You can filter for posts on stocks, crypto, and other. You can also switch over to the Discover tab and you can see featured posts that have been having a lot of interaction on them as ways to find people to follow and gather information from, as well as see trending stocks, crypto, and news articles. One of my favorite features on the app is if I see a bunch of people talking about a stock or a crypto I'm not super familiar with, I don't have to go look it up. I can just click on it and now I'm looking at all the relevant information about it. If I want more, I can also hit the community tab down here and now I'm seeing all posts on the app that are talking about it, or I can go to the news tab and see recent articles that have been written about it from one app that's free. This free app by itself is awesome, but if you've been around for a while like me, you may have been or are currently subscribed to the PersonaFi General newsletter that shows up in your email on Mondays. Well, now with PersonaFi Plus, it's now all in the app. No more third-party clunky email systems that sometimes failed to send and caused billing issues for some people here and there. This newsletter is now directly accessed from the app and bills through the App Store, so it's reliable and trustworthy. The newsletter is put together by PersonaFi analysts. Each analyst has their own style and strategy and might let you in on an options play they're looking at with entry, exit, and their reasoning behind it. They might have a write-up for a strategy they use, as well as other insights and opinions they have on markets that they follow so that you don't have to. You can sign up and cancel directly in the app, and no more searching your junk email folder to see where it went. It's right there in the app. So is that it? Nope. Now trade alerts are directly in the app as well. Let's say there is an options trade you want to try from one of the analysts in the newsletter. Well, now when they execute their trade, you will be alerted as to them making their move and you can just follow suit. Just go about your business at work and let the analysts track the markets. When they see a chance or a good opportunity to make their move, now you'll know about it and you can just follow it up if you want. The best part about signing up for PersonaFi Plus right now is that you get a month for free, so there's nothing to lose. Alongside the newsletter and alerts you'll get from the PersonaFi analyst team, when you sign up for PersonaFi Plus, you will also get 2 tokens each month that allow you to subscribe to other individual content creators who will have their own newsletters and trade alerts. Now you can get the general newsletter with all that content from our analyst team, as well as find 2 other individual content creators who match up with your exact style and get that much more quality content that will be useful for your risk tolerance, interests, and investing style. If you don't like one or both creators that you chose, when the next month rolls around, you can just pick 2 different ones. If there are more than 2 individual content creators that you want to follow, you'll also get a discount on additional tokens if you are a part of PersonaFi Plus, so you can get subscribed to everyone that you want. It's important to mention that if there's just one specific content creator that you want to follow without the general newsletter, you can jump into the store on the app and buy individual tokens at their regular price for non-Plus members, and use them to subscribe to any of the creators that you want. It's totally up to you how much information you want flowing towards you on the app. Inside the app marketplace, you can see who the individual creators are with a brief rundown of who they are, how they approach the market, and their interests. You can also see all the info on the analysts who are contributing to the general newsletter to figure out which ones might align with your trading and investing style, so you know who to look out for in each newsletter. This app has become my one-stop shop for all things trading and investing, and I urge you to download the app. Like I said, this thing is free and offers so much value, and since PersonaFi Plus is free for the first month, there's no reason to not give it a try. We're trying to pool as many resources as possible together for the retail investor like you and me to add to their arsenal so they can be successful in a bull or bear market, and PersonaFi Plus is the next step in that journey. I hope to see you all on the app. I'll catch you next time. PersonaFi Plus, so you can get on additional tokens if you're a